You might be using the wrong type of cinnamon of which you are not aware of. If you are fond of cinnamon or use cinnamon for weight loss or for your well-being, then this video is a must watch. Today I'm shedding light on the two main types of cinnamon. I have them with me here. That is Cassia cinnamon and then Ceylon cinnamon. This isn't about flavor preferences. It is about ensuring you are making a decision that won't compromise your health or your well-being. This is just a straightforward breakdown of why understanding the difference matters. We are going hands-on by breaking Ceylon cinnamon sticks and then the Cassia cinnamon sticks together. Seeing is believing, and sometimes quality should always take precedence over quantity. And I'm here to show you why. This is Cassia cinnamon and this is Ceylon cinnamon. And let's talk about numbers for a moment. The reason why the Cassia cinnamon is considered dangerous is because of its high coumarin content. That is a certain compound found in the Cassia cinnamon. It contains about 1%, and based on research, too much coumarin can also cause adverse side effects. It can cause liver disease, kidney disease, and even cancer. And when this cinnamon contains high of this coumarin, it's not advisable for it to be consumed on daily basis. So we advise people who are using Cassia cinnamon to opt for the best and the safer choice. That is the Ceylon cinnamon, which doesn't cause any side effect. And then on the flip side, that is the Ceylon cinnamon, also referred to as the true cinnamon. Someone will say, why is it called the true cinnamon? Because it is original, it is the best, and this one doesn't cause any side effects. This cinnamon, that is the Ceylon cinnamon, boasts a mere of 0.004%. That is the coumarin content, which is 250 times lower than the Cassia. And then also the Cassia cinnamon. The Cassia cinnamon, I would say, is the fake type of cinnamon, and it's very hard to break. Though the Cassia cinnamon has just a single layer. Just look at it. You can even see through, but it's very hard to break. Look at it. It's hard to break. So if you are going to the market to buy Cassia cinnamon, you have to check all this before making a purchase. It's very hard to break. This is it. And then look at the Ceylon cinnamon. The Ceylon cinnamon also has multiple layers. Multiple layers, and you can't even see through. It is like a book, but it is very simple and easy to break. Look at this. And then look. Look at the Ceylon cinnamon. So there is it. So in case you go to the market or the mart to buy cinnamon, and then maybe you are looking for the cinnamon sticks, you might see the one that looks like this, and then you might also see the one that looks like this. You have to avoid them carefully. The original type of cinnamon has no space. You can't even see through. And look at this one. This one is the fake one. And the original one is very simple to break, and then the fake one is very difficult to break. I'm saying fake even though it is not fake because it's edible. And the Cassia cinnamon can be consumed every day. But if you want something or a cinnamon that can be consumed every day, it is better to use the Ceylon cinnamon. That is the best option, especially those who use cinnamon for weight loss and diabetes and other health benefits. In Ghana and beyond, many sellers are in the dark about the disparities between Cassia and then Ceylon cinnamon. They might unknowingly hand you Cassia. That is the riskier option. While Cassia can add flavor to your dishes, using it consistently might not be the best idea because it can cause liver and kidney damage. We pride ourselves in offering FDA certified and approved Ceylon cinnamon. Yes, it might be expensive in price than Cassia, but think of it as an investment in your health. When you choose the quality, you are choosing a cinnamon that is less likely to cause problems down the line. And then now for the sellers out there, I would say it's high time we educate ourselves. And knowing the difference between Cassia and Ceylon cinnamon is very important. It's not about profit, it's about integrity. And then sometimes identifying the two in their powder form might seem tricky, but here is a simple guide. The Cassia cinnamon has a very strong taste, a very hot taste. The Cassia tends to be very dark brown and brings the heat, while the Ceylon cinnamon is a lighter brown with a more mild taste. Yes, they both come with benefits, but Cassia comes with higher risk. So whether you are a consumer or a seller, I always say this: knowledge is your best ally. So know the difference when buying the cinnamon. And then if you want the best cinnamon to buy, you can also contact me. The number on the screen, that is OA Organic Foods and Wellness Center. We have the original type of cinnamon available. You can get some at our shop. So these are the difference between the two cinnamon. That is the Cassia cinnamon and then the Ceylon cinnamon. And you can see from the video, whenever I'm saying something about this cinnamon, I always want to show you videos so that when you go to the market, you'll be able to identify between the two, among them the best or the bad one. Let us know the type of cinnamon that you are using. Are you using the fake cinnamon, that is the Cassia cinnamon, or you are using the original cinnamon, that is the Ceylon cinnamon? I'm Asonaba Owusu Aduomi, the CEO and a doctor at Organic Foods and Wellness Center. We specialize in using natural medicines to treat various diseases. If you have any health concerns, reach out to us through the number on your screen. WhatsApp me, call me, let's talk about health. Our service extends internationally and then ensuring delivery to your doorstep, regardless of your location. I firmly believe in this mantra. Fear what we eat more than the devil himself, because a healthy diet is crucial for a long and fulfilling life. Trust us to provide natural solutions for your health. Thanks so much for watching. See you. Bye-bye.